What's the meaning of attaché case? Attaché case. Attaché case.
Attaché case. Attaché case. An attaché case is a type of portable briefcase that is typically carried by business professionals to hold important documents and materials. It is often made of leather or other durable materials and includes compartments for organizing papers, pens, and other small items. The attaché case is designed to be compact and easy to carry, with a handle or shoulder strap for convenience. It is a symbol of professionalism and sophistication, commonly used in corporate settings and for business travel.